Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
I एक resolution घ्यायला इथे नॅशनल हायवे 17 आलवती आम 66 म्हणाय हे resolution हांवें घ्यायला तीन दोन्ही सायडीन 1985 आणि त्या लँडाचेर आमी झाड रोवया टुलियन आहा तो तुम खोलियन कोताय आणि एक बायपास तो हा फुल सिस्टम गेल्लो आणि 2013 तेन्ना चीफ इंजिनियर चिंबलकरान सांगले आमी रिड्युसिंग टू 45 and we are making only 2 lanes.
Gram Sabha resolution passed केला for audit report. They have done well. The collection of house tax has increased. So we are hopeful that they will put good efforts and run the panchayat for everybody's development and do something that is good for the village, especially Munshapur Jogoba. Global warming लागून आम्ही सगळे त्रासताय आणि ते पासत प्लॅनिंग कोत्ते लोकां बरोबर बसून भासाभास करून बरें ते आमी आपणावपा जाय.
Pleading before the government to denotify NH17, which is there, the old highway which is there, which runs parallel to the new one here. The religious places who hide in Don Chapel High, Kamil College is being affected. There are people who have, a small amount of kiosks which are there of theirs. Lokage livelihood hoita. Haंव जाणा ते certain places where you have to bend down. We are ready for a talk over the table to take a resolution to put forth our view before the PWD minister, before our chief minister of Goa. And we know our chief minister, he hears to the voices of the people at large. This is one way through your medium I'm trying to pass on a message to him as well.